What's up, guys? This is Choo Choo Comics, and today we are going to unbox two Locksmith comic mystery boxes. They were $110 each, and I think the grand prize was a fantastic 448, I believe. I could be wrong. Yeah, let's see what we got. This is actually the first mystery box ever. I usually get the same ones, like the Comic Vantage, Michael Eckery, Yeah Man, the Retriever Comics, but this is a new one for the channel. All right, first box. Let's see. Hopefully, I'll get something good. All right. Here we go. Whoops. Here we go. Book number 1. Ooh, we got a Harbinger number 1. That's pretty cool. That's like $100 book, at least. It's in pretty good condition. There is a little spine tick right there, color breaking. But other than that, that's a pretty good hit right off the bat. I may have went the wrong way with these books, but we'll see. Next. I think that pretty much just paid for the whole entire box. Next we got, ooh, Spider-Man number 1. This is their first appearance, cameo appearance of Cindy Moon, I believe. Next. We got The Marked. Never heard of that. Next, we got the Infinity Gauntlet number 3. Newsstand edition. That's pretty cool. We got Spider-Woman number 1. And that's your first box. Not too shabby. I like that Harbinger. Next, we got... I'm gonna get a slab. I thought I might get a slab. This one seems a little heavier. All right, looks like we got some kind of trade. All right, okay, it's the Batman Killing Joke Deluxe Edition. Okay. Next, we got Spider-Man number 1. This is some kind of reprint variant. Next, we got X-Men annual number 14. This is the first cameo appearance of Gambit. Next we got some kind of Dark Knight metal book. And the last book, we got another Spider-Man, Spider-Woman. This is the Michael Turner cover. I believe this is from Street Level Heroes. I'm not sure. But yeah, okay. Pretty good. The second box, I'm not sure if I got my money's worth, but yeah, we'll see. I enjoyed the first box better. Yeah. Well, there you go. There you have it. This is the Locksmith mystery boxes. They were $100, 10 each. I'm not sure if they have any left. They might. Go check them out. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.